Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby. If you're new to my channel, please come in, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and also turn on the notification button to know when I post new videos. You can also follow me on Instagram at Abby Niger. So I do some short tutorials on there on my IGTV and on my IG Reels as well. So you don't want to miss out on that. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so now. So yesterday I made a video about how you can customize your widgets, your new iOS 14 home screen for the iPhone. So I also promised I would also do a video showing you some of the cool features that come with the iPhone. So I'm going to be doing a video on that. So if you're interested in finding out more or knowing more about this, just keep watching this video. So the first feature that I'm going to be talking about is the back tap feature. So this feature allows you to tap on the back of your phone twice or 3 times. So if you want to find this feature, you just go to your settings on the iPhone, go to accessibility, and you go to touch. So once you click on touch, you just scroll down and you're gonna find back tap. So you want to make sure that your back tap is on. So there's double tap and there's triple tap. So it depends on which one you want to do. So for double tap, you have like so many features. So you can turn it on for screenshot, Siri, shake, home screen, and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna use screenshots as an example. So now you just pick up your iPhone. If you wanna take a screenshot on your phone, and you just tap it twice, and it's gonna take a screenshot of your phone, as you can see. For the triple tap, you can decide to change. You can use for home screen, so that's gonna take you to the home screen. So that's number one cool ass feature. Pardon my French, but that's number one cool feature that I absolutely love. I thank Apple for this because, you know, it's just easier to just do that. So some of the other new features that come with the iPhone, I actually I mentioned this in one of my videos from yesterday, is that if you want to change the layout of your home screen, you can just long press on the screen and then you can move your apps around. And also if you want to hide the home screen, so maybe there's a particular home screen that you don't want to see anymore, you just click on the 3 dots at the bottom of the screen and then you can just hide whichever one you want to hide and then turn on whichever one you want to turn on and stuff like that. And also I also mentioned that the new iOS feature comes with the app library. So this is where all your apps are living. So maybe you don't want to see, maybe there's a particular app or some apps that you like to use or that you use every now and then, but you don't want to delete them and you just don't want them to clutter up your screen. You can just hide them in the app library. So that's a really cool feature. So still talking about some of the cool things that come with the iOS, this is long awaited. I feel like all iPhone users have been waiting for this option and we finally have it and I feel so good. Fam, honestly, you guys, when I saw this update, when I saw that my phone can now do this, I was like, hallelujah. Like, yo, this has been long overdue. Thank you, Apple, for finally having the initiative to do this. But this feature is, you know how on iPhone you get a call, or maybe you're just going through your phone or doing something on your phone and then you get a call, but you don't want to decline it and you still want to do what you're doing? You get what I'm trying to say? So now you have this feature where the call just comes up on top of the screen. So it doesn't stop you from doing anything you want to do. So you can just continue to do your thing. And if you want to pick up the call, you can just pick it up. So guys, another really cool feature that I've been waiting for from Apple is a picture-in-picture feature for FaceTime. So you know how you're on FaceTime and you're talking to someone and they leave the FaceTime call to go like do something else on their phone and it says paused? Well, congratulations. I'm happy to tell you that it's gone now. So now when someone leaves a FaceTime call, you can still see them and they can still see you as well. So you can still do other things on your phone and the call is just going to be on one corner of your screen. So now you can text your sideman whilst you're on FaceTime with your husband. So next feature that I absolutely love, you know how you're looking for an emoji and you have to type a word that predicts the emoji, or you just keep scrolling. Now there's a new feature that you can actually search for for the emoji. So maybe you're typing, you're texting someone, and you want to wink at them, and you just can't be bothered to look for the wink emoji. You can just type wink in the search bar, and the wink emoji is gonna come up. So yeah, that's really, 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 really cool. So this other one doesn't actually come with all iPhones. I'm using the iPhone X at the moment, and I do not have this option, so I'm guessing the earlier or latest iPhones will have this option, and this is called the mirror front camera. So you know how you take a picture in a certain angle, and then when you actually go back to look at the picture, it comes in a different angle. So you take it on this side and then it comes out on this side. It can be really, really annoying. So now, yeah, there's a new feature that actually you can change that. So all you need to do is go to settings on your iPhone. If you're using the latest iPhones, go to settings, go to camera on the settings, and then you find the mirror facing camera option, and you just toggle it on, and yeah, so you have your banging selfies. I think this option actually already exists on WhatsApp, where you can actually just go and reply a particular message. So you have that option now on the iMessage. So if you're in a group chat and you want to text somebody, you can just long press on their text and then reply them directly. So yeah, that's another really cool feature. So yeah, one more feature, and then that's the end of this video. So guys, that's the end of it. So these are my favorite features that come with the iOS 14. Obviously the update comes with a lot of features, but yeah, these are just my favorite ones. Like I find really, really cool, and I find them really amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned a thing or two. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, you might as well just subscribe, right? So yeah, I'll be waiting for you to subscribe. And also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, my Instagram is at abinaija. My TikTok is abinaija_. I'm going to put them on the screen for you guys to see. So yeah, I'll be seeing you in my next video. So bye.